How to add music to Spotify. If you want to add the music from your phone to the Spotify app so that you can listen to them also on the Spotify app, it's quite very simple to do so. You simply have to launch a Spotify app. By default, it will only show you a list of songs that you have downloaded within the Spotify app. But to find the ones and add the ones that are on your storage, tap on your Spotify profile from the top left of the screen. Then you want to simply navigate to settings and privacy. From settings and privacy, you will see this type of option where you want to simply go to local files and you want to simply turn on show audio files from this device and allow the permission that it asks you to. Once done, it will show that your local files have been added to your library. Now when you go to your library, under local files, you'll be able to see all the tracks that you've downloaded to your device. So this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically add music to Spotify. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.